Welcome. In this tutorial, we learn a JavaScript function that generates an identity matrix of a given size. Identity matrices have ones on the diagonal and zeros everywhere else. It is a great exercise to practice nested loops and conditional logic. Let's walk through the steps to create one from scratch. The identity matrix is a square, meaning equal number of rows and columns. Each row should have a single one where its row and column indices match. Everywhere else we have placed a zero. This pattern can be generated easily with nested loops. We use two loops, one for rows and one for columns. When the row index equals the column index, we add a 1. Otherwise, we add a 0 to that row index or to that row string. Each full row is printed using console log for display. Start by looping through each row index I. Inside that, we loop through each column index j. If they match, we place a 1. Otherwise, we replace a 0. After building each row, we print it before starting the next. Here are examples of different values of n. A 2 by 2 matrix has two rows with diagonal ones. The 4 by 4 version pulls out a clear identity pattern. Our function adapts dynamically based on input size. Identity matrices are critical in many technical fields. They appear in maths for solving linear equations. In computer graphics, they preserve object positions. You will also find them in neural networks and scientific computing. To recap, we built a dynamic identity matrix using nested loops and index matching. This is a perfect exercise for mastering logic-based iteration in Java. Try expanding this to build other matrix types or exports into as a 2D array. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next coding tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.